Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, we are going to see how to make fun with Excel. Okay, you can also call it as Excel magic with 3 semicolon. See, for that, the full sheet has been selected. Okay, by clicking the leftmost cell, and then now you can also press Ctrl 1 as a shortcut for format cells, or right click and select the format cells. Okay, now this dialog box has been opened. Here at the last, under the number, see here one custom option is there. Select that custom and come here to the right side. Under the type, the general is there, right? You just remove that one and press 3 semicolon. Okay, the 3 semicolon, and then press OK. Once you press OK, see, the sheet will be like this. Whatever you are entering, you can enter, but it will not be visible. See, I'm mentioning different words in different cell. Wherever you want and whatever you want to type in the sheet, you can do that one, and that will not be visible at all. See, I have entered here number and symbol and different characters also. Okay, you can also enter whatever you want, but nothing will be visible. Okay, so again you have to select the full sheet to make it visible. What you have to do, select the full sheet, and as I told you before, like Ctrl 1 or right click and select format cells. Okay, Ctrl 1 is for the shortcut of format cells. Now again come to that under the number custom and remove that 3 semicolon now. Okay, once you remove the 3 semicolon and press OK, whatever the words you have entered, everything will be visible. This is the one you can make fun with your friends also. Okay friends, hope you guys are enjoying this video. See you in the next wonderful video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for getting the up-to-date Excel related videos.